The side plank leg lift builds core stability and hip stability by working your obliques and your glute med to build an overall strong lateral side, which helps protect the spine and improve hip stability for things like running, walking, and overall good health. To set up, make sure your elbow is underneath your shoulder so that you've got a solid base. Then from here, the lower leg and hip are going to be in line with the shoulder, and you're going to lift with a bent knee from the bottom. This will give you a good solid base, whilst keeping your hips high will engage your obliques on the underside. Then bring the top leg in line with the body, and from here, with the foot flexed, you're going to lead with the heel and lift that leg up. Don't let the hips drop, just go as high as you can, engaging the glute med on the side, lifting up and down under control for the required number of sets and reps.